In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unzip files in Google Drive. Fix today here, let's begin. Have you ever received a zip file in Google Drive and realized there's no built-in option to extract it directly? Downloading large archives to your computer, unzipping them, and uploading everything back can take a lot of time. Fortunately, you can use a Google Drive extension to extract zip files directly in the cloud. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com, then sign into your Google Drive account. Locate the zip file you want to extract. Right-click the file, hover over Open With, then click Zip Extractor. If you don't see Zip Extractor in the list, click Connect More Apps. The Google Workspace Marketplace will open. In the search bar at the top, type Zip Extractor, then press Enter. Click the Zip Extractor app from the search results, then click the blue Install button followed by Continue. Select your Google account. Review the permissions, and click Allow to complete the installation. Once the installation is finished, click Done and close the Marketplace window. Now return to your Google Drive file list, right-click the zip file again, hover over Open With, and select Zip Extractor. When the tool opens, click the blue Authorize button to grant access to the zip file. You'll then see the contents of the archive displayed on screen. Review the files, select the items you want to extract, then click the blue Extract to Google Drive button at the top. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.